Hello guys, welcome to the next part of the CSS problem set. So today's problem is creating strings. So in this question we are given a string and we have to print all the different strings that can be created using its characters, and that string should be sorted in the alphabetical order. So this is also a recursion problem. So here I have already created a tree, and let me explain how the recursion is working here. So this is the test case we are given. So first we'll get the frequencies of all the alphabets which are given to us. So A is occurring 3 times, B is occurring 1 time, and C is occurring 1 time. Okay. And currently I have taken an empty string for recursion. Now I will start from this A. That means I will start from the 0th index and now till the last index. So first I will take first A and reduce its frequency by 2 in this step. So I have added A and reduced its frequency by 2, and again I will start from 0th index till end. So in the next step again I have taken 2 A's and I will start from here till end, and again then I have taken the third A. So now only B and C are left. So 3 A's have been added till this step, and now B and C are left. So again I will start from B and add on C. This is the loop which I'm talking about, start and end. So now I will add B. So B's frequency is also 0. So till here I have added 3 times A and a single B. And then from this step to this step I will start and end at C. So that means I have only one remaining character to take. So this is the first string formed. Now while returning back, so this will be the string, and now again I have to increase the frequency of C, since this is called backtracking. While we are going back, I need back the frequency of C. Also, I need to remove the character C from this path. Now again, since C was the start and end, so this loop is also over. So now I will go back to this loop B and C1. So here earlier B was taken first, so now C would be taken first. So we will go here and C would be taken first. So now B is left, and this is the string formed AAA. And at the next step, this is the B remaining. So start and end will be the same, and this B is added to the end. So I have got my second string AAACB. Now while going back, I will again increase the frequency of B, and then while going back from this step to here, I will again increase the frequency of C. So now I'm standing at this step. Now while going back, so earlier I added A here. So again the frequency of A has been increased and A has been removed from here, the string. Now since I started from A, so next turn is of B. So now I will go in this direction. So here one A is remaining and one C is remaining, and B has been added, as you can see in this step. Now again we will start from A and end on C. So again for starting, A has been added. So C is left and AAAB has been made till here. Now again, since starting and ending is from C only, so AABAC. So this is left. So this is the third string which I get. Now again backtrack, increase the frequency, remove the character. Again, since start and end were same, so again go back, increase the frequency of A and remove it from the string as well. Now since this time we started with A, now it's the turn of C. So we will put C first. So if we go in this direction, so here only A is left with frequency 1, and I have added C in the string. Now, if I go in downward in next step, so starting and ending will be from A. So I have added A. So this is the fourth string which I got from here, A, B, C, A. You can also notice that all these strings, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all these are sorted in alphabetically. So while returning back from here, I will increase the frequency of A, and while returning back from here, I will increase the frequency of C, and while returning back from here, I will increase the frequency of B. So now I am here. Now to start, go with the next step. So earlier I put A, then I put B. Now starting would be from C. So frequency of A is 1, B is 1, and C I have to append in the string. So this has become AAC. And again the loop continues. So this will give me string AACAB and AACBA. So now till here. I hope the steps are clear, and since the recursion tree is too long and I am short of space, so I guess you can complete the tree if you have any doubts. So let's code up the problem. So yeah, so here I am provided with the string s, c in s. Also, let me create a vector int, vector string answer. In this, I will store all the characters, all the strings formed. Also, int n is s dot size. So I am taking this n as this will act as a base case for me. So let me tell how. So currently I'm naming the string as path and string path is empty. This is the empty string which I started with. Like this is this string which I started with. I am naming this as path. Also, I need a frequency array in of size 26 in which the frequencies of all the characters will be stored. Frequency of I minus a plus plus. Now let me call the function f. In f, I need frequency, path, and answer. So these are the things required. Now let's call this function void f vector int and frequency string and path int n. Let me take it by reference to and vector string and answer. So what should be the base case? Like if the length of the given string and the length of path becomes same, that means I have taken all the characters and I need to store it in the answer. So if path dot size is n, that means I now path has all the characters present in the n. That means we have formed a string and we will store the string in the answer. Answer dot push back path and return. So that's why I took n here. Now for and I is equals to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus. This is for looping upon the frequency array. Now I need to only add character if its frequency is greater than 0. Now to add the character, what I will do is path plus is equals to I plus a, and simultaneously I will reduce the frequency of I by 1. Next I will call the function with the remaining frequency, path, n, and answer. Now this is the function I called, and after returning back from this function, as I told every time, while returning back from a function, we need to remove the character and increase its frequency again. So to remove the character from the path, it's path dot pop back, and frequency, I need to add the frequency again, so frequency of I plus plus. So this will just populate the array string, answer, which is a vector of string. So we need to return total number of strings formed, so which is answer dot size and l, and for printing all the strings for auto and I in answer c out I and l. Okay, so let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, so I think there is some issue. Okay, so I found the error. It should be for auto and I in s, since I'm traversing over s to increase the frequency. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm getting 20 strings and these are the possible combinations. Okay, so let's try submitting our solution and see whether it's working fine or not. I hope it should. Yeah, so as you can see, it got accepted. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you.